Today we're making a mixed berry and almond clafoutis. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making a mixed berry and almond clafoutis. Clafoutis originally comes from central France. It's a recipe that's hundreds of years old and traditionally uses black cherries. You can use any fruit you like, including apples, plums, regular cherries, but today we're using mixed berries, raspberries, blackberries, and red currants. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Feel free to pause. I'll list the ingredients in the description below. We're going to start by preheating our oven to 170 degrees centigrade fan. If you don't have a fan option on your oven, it's 190 degrees centigrade or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll want to start by preparing your pan, so making sure you get it good and buttered so that your clafoutis doesn't stick. Set this pan aside and we'll get our wet and dry ingredients mixed. Into our bowl, we're going to combine ground almond, flour. I'm using golden castor sugar, but you can use regular sugar if you haven't got golden. And just a pinch of salt to cut the sweet. Then we're going to zest a lemon into this mix. I find the lemon a really nice addition with the berries. It really helps to brighten it up. We're using 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks for this recipe. It really is like a flan, very rich and creamy. I'm going to separate these ones into a separate bowl, and I'll save those egg whites for some macarons later. And last one. I'm going to break our yolks and slowly add in our cream. We want our wet ingredients to be fully combined before we add them to our dry. We need this to be a really silky smooth batter. Right, that's ready to go. We're just going to give a little whiskey whisk to the dry ingredients, and then we'll add in our wet ingredients, but we don't want any lumps in here. And this can all be done in a blender if you've got one handy. It makes things really easy, and you can do it that way as well, but I'm going to show you by hand today. And then just get that mixed in. Right, that looks great, nice and smooth. We're ready to get everything into our pan. So you're just going to tumble in your fruit choices. Look how beautiful those red currants are. They just look like little jewels. And I'm just going to sort of spread them out so that you get a little bit of a mixture in every bite. And then we're just going to pour our batter on top of this. Just give it a little wiggle and get that batter all the way around. And that's ready for the oven. So this needs to go in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's risen up and is nice and golden brown. The best part about this recipe is that everyone's going to think you've gone to a lot of trouble to make it, but it's so quick and easy to make. From start to finish, getting all of the ingredients prepared, it's taken me about 7 minutes to get it into the oven. You want it to still have a little bit of that wibble just in the middle there. That's how you know it's good and custardy. We've let it set for about 10 minutes so you can see it's sunk down a little bit. It will change appearance slightly. You can eat this warm or cold, so if you wanted to make it in advance and pop it in the fridge, you can do that. But we're going to dust some icing sugar on the top just before serving. So pretty. Doesn't that look beautiful? Can't wait to taste this. It's creamy and custardy, and then the berries just burst. That little bit of lemon zest really comes through right at the end, and you've got that tartness from the berries. It's a very mild sweetness from the sugar. This is a stunning dessert. Looks so incredible. Takes no time at all. You're gonna love making this one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, put a comment down below, and check out our other videos. We'll see you next time.